Mama Akwaba. Wa frame Adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo any K-boat. A blogger, Facebook, and what can I do the actual this for yasem kweto akra titu pa. Any nurses na doctors are ending. Watchers on my penda da mahama and sansumbra. More parents, more 11 months on one penda da mahama on Chiamoka. Zizia na most on my penda da mahama and ran away day. Nurse if we are to a no makasai. And na K-boating so a damn mom and penda da mahama and nurses. Or Teresa His Excellency by Wabisha COVID, I free education, so on dear my Nibiaka. On my penda da mahama and share COVID, ye da doom so much. Or this kind of tordan, a way is legon. Emma Kwakuman Muna Trace Batchman or the day. Hey, Yentin Sama, K-boat a day at 2.
It's too long to have addressed the concerns of the junior doctors. It's taken us too long. And I recall that some months ago, this was brought to government's attention. And we are using process. So therefore, it was work in progress. I'm aware that the controller and the deputy minister for health have conveyed to you a decision on the fate of 64 house officers who will be paid this month and who in fact the money should hit their accounts not later than Wednesday, 4:30 p.m. on Wednesday.
As we've actually seen, the pay slips will be paid come the end of the month, and for the 27 of us through Honorable's intervention would be receiving the full 11-month salaries come Wednesday 2 o'clock at the various institutions. We have heard him, and then we believe this is the case. We have a memorandum of understanding to that effect, and we are hoping that come Wednesday, all our grievances will be addressed.
So appeared not happy with what they told you? Yes, because when you look at what's going on during the deliberations, it's really mind-boggling. Because one, we are 91 people who came here, and all of us are unpaid. A few of us were paid for just 1 month. Now all we are hearing is that they are willing to pay 64 of us everything they owe. Then 17 who are apparently paid for just a month will be paid for 1 month, and then the arrears will come later. And then the other 10 who for some reason I really don't get, are not going to be paid until whatever problem it is sorted out. I'm yet to find out why this is happening.
You are here to find out why this is happening. Some of your top or my friend to Subim, no more should top or the near show. My friend to so. No top or no. So be a kind top or no. Mugan away. Some kind. Some who a doctor for Marco 90 something ground with Jomka. My better bontin can say, and this town, Nagana de Nagana Skawkrum. Me who's me say, well, because I seem to be on a bet come and send me and then I approve when I make no. Doctors, junior doctors, 11 good months. No, some catch say, Obama, a level handed will be our school free now. Now, born some now with this one with Dinko as an hour just so. Monte doctors here, and I don't go for the better from 2017 because Abri almost strike. Just tell me. 11 one Obia alcohol. Nabaka oh yeah, na alcohol more to a few. 11 good months. Baku mi enum yensa enan enum ensia enson otwe enkunu edu du bako. Abosumi mako na sebe se ono John Dramani Mahama ne papa ana ye adwuma ana ye ntua ne ka bosumi du bako anka ono nko beda nyansa be ne wo sa de wi ni nyina mu no so no na all the talkers ma actors and actresses on tia we num kan sa the same time na we num usu a omo pechew se wo de kasa nko omo bi nanka enkebi on fi wo no auto V8 e the chest line no ene nkwasiafo we num kwakuma num chimifo ma se die num no e to vinyet ma wo ye ka obi a wodwen Ghana man ho wodwen nipa ho a mo be ka che se dokon boa ye dinti Ghana fo be ungrateful to the extent say they forget all this short memory association was repeating this year say ma dwen swa na me bomba ye ka che mo doctor phone na so ye doctor na akoto oba de tell na don ko do am say bia sa o how ya woni doctor for ko mu wan kombi wo yo mambofo na wo be bre pa so ye doctor ni so ye teacher ni na wo try for 3 years ni ma 3 months na wo say nyankwasi adwen ko to ba de masa ankwasi afo onya na mbe tua wo kana wo bra wo be bre no eso bi ni wiase bia na wo de wan fasa situation we bu beto na do aban enti wa kono smooth enti wo be hu ni say wo time no ye tieka na emum dokon boy adinti no wo de be fa dokon so nurse for ni bi and na because one go through some pains na ni nuanom bi go mu o mahama mre so no enti saafo no omo amadwen nyansam nim adwena gimi because one go through pains enti ne no kumbo na ye den no o de ba kugina so nurse ni doctor ni ba kugina so because one first situation ya ni nua doctor for ifa mu bi one fam Anya Ghana, anya Burkina, anya Togo, Joy News. Anya Israel, anya India, anya Bangladesh, anya Baghdad saying. Anya Ghana. Few years coming you. Na dollar is saying. Na pounds ni euro da saying. And na dollar da saying. And na pounds ni euro da saying. Upon nyina chino upon COVID and all the time no don't mahama time no ya nya problem bia we ase o but papa we one no ntimi employ nipa IMF mra amde man no ntimi emfa workers and net police for your phone de bia fire service your phone de bia a nurse for your phone de bia aban for de my phone me no can say a kind of roles hospitals are buying we build upon all hardship here in them Ghana. Musi ejed them akoye Ghana akoye hell in now. Ni nyina mu no. Look at how a buying egusu employing for. Tell me say bosumi aso. A doctor for ka bom bosumi nsia se enti omuka. Abosumi nsia se enti omuka. Fire service for, police for. Me say mahama time omukoya ma mochiri for na krosu mochiri se omeme nipa pro. Meboa enso musa tia se ka se mahama town de nesika okuro no di sometimes to one more because ana mahama town no na no mo ye na this and this na mbusa me ti mo sa na me kra wo fu ana mahama town no nesika wo na no mo nya den sa eno mo na mo nya den ne wahi doctor ni acha de bosumi du ba ko yentua ne ka sasa wa acha de wa acha de wa koye operation akọ ha yare fo bosumi du ba ko enti be ko na obi ba onko ne ka shenkari enti hu de no ye na a doctor fo no men ka se omu na bi fa kuntu ase kwan so ebo aban ne kro no enno ne ade omde ba no e fa fa do ebi no health insurance kro no mo so mo mfiu na mo ti se nnu no mo abi o hospital wo fie no mo de ko gum no mo treating grofo because e komo de no ano oni fo so obo ma aban ne kro no odi bo because abosumi du ba ko payment bi e ma o dware e ma no kware ne do so e ma no so de na areho oba anye de obesiesie no ho bosumi beso obekọ ne bosumi ekontu mu ebe hia no ntide be ese odno koma be ma anaso konantenante anase okoya de ese oye enso obi anim se wakosko awi a ese oye doctor enei upon system here we are seeing now go through and even British airline grano at the car almost 3.something billion pounds almost can wasem airlines organ we are seeing now ako in crisis. Until look at our airlines wording we are seeing now a crash still a ban way to judge my forecast dollar is 15 cedis otua nkrofo ka na dollar is 4 cedis ni entua nkrofo ka. You see the difference? Me why yeah me pese first no send am the dollar na take on mo say hospital he say hospital to fear say e she say obi hospital dey no meka most at $1 and a medical dokun mu wie na mo ko atadwe mu wie na mo ko events body and a medical toast and a medical jenny ye ti ya se mo de duru bomone enche mo beka se nkate ne sebe mesi mo beka ka se abosia anwea ko egu fom kwan won ante so ayedin me na meka kirew because me kai se mo Ghana me ko Ghana na se ko toba no ewia body ndin dia hey ana ma ha matam ko na wie mo sei me buza zara mahama ono TV mu ohwe wie mu otinchim ewia ma wie ba na ensu totu aso nsu be na otwe hey na do time de na ensu to and no me na say